Enable location in your browser. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to enable location services in your browser. Here's what happens, folks. For example, I'm on Google Maps trying to check my location. If I click here, it says it can't access my location because it's not enabled. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable your location. Let's get started. First step, click on the three dots in the top corner. Right here on the three dots. Click on Settings, this gear icon, Settings. Here, folks, you'll see this side menu with several options, and you need to click on Privacy and Security. Privacy and Security. Here you'll find more options, and you should click on Site Settings. This option right here. Scroll down and look for the Location option. See how in my case, folks, it's not allowed? Click and select that option. Websites may request your location. Check here, folks, under blocking if there are any blocked sites. It's pointless to enable it up here if the site you want location for is blocked here. Similarly, if it appears here, delete it by clicking the trash icon next to the site name to allow access. I refresh the site. If I click here again, this permission window will appear. Click Allow to enable location access. Did you get it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless you. Thanks.